Many seniors wake up in the morning thinking, I should go for a walk. But the truth is, not everyone manages to do it. Some struggle because of knee or leg pain, while others simply hit the bed again out of laziness or tiredness. And let's be honest, forcing yourself into a daily walk isn't always the smartest or healthiest option at this age. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple yet powerful exercises that will keep your body active, strong, and pain-free, even if you skip your morning walk. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the best morning diet after 60 to boost your energy and protect your muscles. Walking is great, but it's not the only way to stay fit. So let's begin. The first exercise is chair squats. Take a sturdy chair, preferably without wheels. Sit down slowly, then rise back up without using your hands for support. Repeat this 10-15 times, resting when you need to. Why is this so important? Because as we age, the first muscles that weaken are usually in our hips, thighs, and glutes. And weak legs are the #1 reason for falls, difficulty climbing stairs, and the constant fear of sitting down on a low sofa. Chair squats are simple, safe, and they target the very muscles that give you independence in daily life. Every time you sit and stand, you'll feel more confident and less dependent on others. The second exercise is wall push-ups. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall. Place your palms on it at shoulder level, and then bend your elbows to bring your body closer before pushing yourself back. Do this 10-12 times. Many seniors complain about weak arms and shoulders. Lifting grocery bags, pushing doors, or even stirring a heavy pot can become challenging. Wall push-ups strengthen your chest, arms, and shoulders without putting pressure on the joints like floor push-ups do. They also improve blood flow in your upper body, keep your chest muscles active, and even support better breathing. With just a few minutes daily, you'll notice that tasks like cooking, lifting, and carrying things become easier again. The third exercise is called the heel-to-toe walk. Here's how to do it. Place one foot in front of the other, so the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot. Then take the next step the same way. Walk forward like this for 10-15 steps. At first, it may feel awkward, almost like walking on a narrow rope, but that's the point. It challenges your balance and coordination. Do you know what the biggest danger for seniors is? It's not high blood pressure. It's not diabetes. It's falls. A simple fall can lead to broken bones, surgery, or months of bed rest. But this simple exercise trains your body to stay steady, even on uneven surfaces. Just a few minutes of practice daily can significantly lower your risk of falling. The fourth exercise is seated leg lifts. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Extend one leg forward until it's parallel to the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower it slowly. Do 10 repetitions on each side. This exercise targets your knees and joints, areas where most seniors feel stiffness, swelling, or pain. It keeps your knees flexible, strengthens the surrounding muscles, and improves blood circulation in your legs. If you often feel heaviness or fatigue after standing for a while, this simple exercise can make a huge difference. Think of it as giving your knees and joints a gentle workout without the stress of long walks. The fifth and final exercise is arm circles with light weights. You don't need fancy dumbbells. Just grab 2 small water bottles or cans. Hold one in each hand. Raise your arms to the side and make small circles forward for 10 seconds, then backward for another 10 seconds. This move strengthens your shoulders and arms, while also keeping them flexible. Many seniors struggle with shoulder stiffness, making it hard to comb their hair, reach shelves, or even dress comfortably. By doing arm circles daily, you maintain shoulder mobility, build strength, and reduce stiffness. And since you're using light weights, your arms also become more toned and functional for daily activities. Now, let's talk about the morning diet after 60. Many seniors make the mistake of skipping breakfast or eating something very light like just a cup of tea or toast. But after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body needs proper fuel to function. Here's what a power-packed senior breakfast looks like. Start with warm water. This wakes up your digestion and flushes out toxins. Add protein. Boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, or Greek yogurt help maintain muscle strength. Include complex carbs. A bowl of oats keeps your energy steady without spiking blood sugar. Add fruits. Berries, papaya, or banana provide vitamins and antioxidants. Healthy fats. A handful of soaked almonds or walnuts sharpen your memory and protect your heart. This combination doesn't just give you energy for the day, it protects your muscles, supports your brain, and keeps your heart healthy. So here's the key takeaway. Even if you don't go for a morning walk, whether it's because of leg pain, laziness, or the weather, you don't have to compromise your health. By practicing these 5 exercises daily and fueling your body with the right breakfast, you can stay strong, energetic, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Remember, age is just a number, but your strength and vitality, those are choices you make every single day. So don't wait. Start today and give your future self the gift of health.